Hello friends, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to learn about 17 simple tips to improve garments quality. These 17 tips will help you to improve the garments quality. Number 1. Communicate the importance of the quality production to your employees and shop floor workers and explain quality expectation of the management. Number 2. Maintain a clean and dry workplace, including storeroom and shipping area. Number 3. Select and utilize appropriate equipment of cutting, sewing, and finishing process. A faulty sewing machine will generate defective garments. A damaged cutting machine will give you faulty cut panel. Number 4. Provide appropriate tools, machines, and equipment to each department. Number 5. Provide on the job training to worker. By providing training to the worker, you can make them skilled in doing their job error free. Number 6. Plan an ongoing program for machine maintenance. It is said that stitch quality comes from the needlepoint. You should keep your sewing and other machine healthy through preventive maintenance. Number 7. Establish agreed upon quality standard with all fabric suppliers before purchase. Number 8. Follow 100% inspection of all incoming fabrics. Do not trust your supplier. If you are purchasing fabric from mills and knitters, fabric checking is an essential process. If you can suggest the defective fabric on the initial stage, the fabric related issue would not be found in the garments. Number 9. Allocated a training quality inspector for visual inspection. Number 10. Compare actual fabric width and length against reported figure by supplier and required length and width. Number 11. Return fabric to the supplier that does not meet agreed upon quality standard. Number 12. Follow 100% inspection of value added process such as panel printing, machine embroidery, hand embroidery, etc. Number 13. No defective panel or component should be sent to the stitching section. Defective component can be accepted after corrective measures have been taken. Number 14. Cutting quality is the second most important area. Checking in the performance for a cutting component such as matching cut panel with original pattern, shade variation, fabric related defect, etc. Number 15. Check 100% of the garments after stitching. Number 16. Record defects by garments production lot, source of defect, cutting, fabric, embroidery, type of defects, etc. Number 17. Analyze the inspection report data to identify source of the quality problem. You can take the correct action only after knowing the major quality issue on the floor.